Having fun under the sun? Why not take a refreshing swim in the ocean? Well, as you take your time having all the fun in the beach, have you ever wondered why a heavy person such as yourself can float in water? How about large ships? Or icebergs perhaps? We all learned this in You are watching Science for Dummies Simplified. A person floats in water through following this principle. A person that is submerged in a fluid experiences a buoyant force. Now, if this buoyant force is greater than the weight of that person, then the person floats. Otherwise, he sinks in the water. But how large of a force is a buoyant force? Good question! The buoyant force of an object equals the weight of the fluid it displaces, and that is what we call Archimedes Principle. Want some more on Archimedes Principle? Let's have an activity. The average density of an object is what ultimately determines whether the object floats or not. But how is this related to Archimedes' principle? If an object's average density is less than that of the surrounding fluid, then it will float. Fluid this time has a higher density, which means it contains more mass and more weight in volume. Thus, the buoyant force is greater than the weight of the object. Through the fraction submerged formula, we can determine whether the object will sink or float in water, just by dividing the density of the object over the density of the fluid. Hello there! We've been talking about Archimedes' principle all throughout the video, and now I just want to emphasize the importance of this principle in our lives as an end of this discussion. Without discovering this principle, there will be no ships, no submarines, or any aquatic transportation that could lead to the different discoveries and adventures that we can enjoy now.